It's a great big beautiful day, and today we're at Adventure Island in Tampa, Florida. Gonna ride some water rides, have a little bit of fun, and yeah, maybe get you some POVs on some of the attractions as well. I think it'll be a fun day. I got the kids with me here today. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Woo. All right, ready to ride some rides. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I admit, even though I've lived here in Tampa, I've not been to Adventure Island in quite some time. So it's kind of new to me, but it'll be new to you too. You just entered the entrance to the right. You got your shop, bathrooms, locker, changing areas. Got it right here. The Wahoo Remix is right in front of us. We're gonna find a seat. Okay, so it looks like we found our seats. We're gonna get in the water and have some fun. Take you along for the ride. All right, friends, we are going to try some water fun. Actually, the kids are. Heading over to this Tiki Trek area, over by kind of like a little pool area. They have a cliff drive jumpers. We're gonna see how they like this. And for me, I'm gonna get in. Water's pretty good. Not too bad. So it looks like we might be doing that cliff jump here in just a second. Lorelai is about to get up. Good job. Now it's Anthony's turn. All right, Anthony.
Our dad's gonna go next. Subscribe to our channel to give him good luck. Although I don't think he needs it. He'll be fine. All right, here we go. Let's see if he can do it. Ready? Here he goes! He did it!
Okay, so you guys saw that. I admit that I'm a little bit afraid of heights, but that was totally awesome. You guys gotta give that a try here at the cliff dive at Adventure Island. Pretty cool. So how was it, guys?
It was awesome!
We are going on the Wahoo Remix. It's actually a newest ride. It was actually redone. We are going to take a gander and see what this is all about. You guys excited?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
One of the beautiful things about this ride that we're about to go on, the Wahoo Remix, is that you don't have to carry your own raft because there's a little conveyor belt right there bringing the rafts up for you. It's a beautiful thing. That ride over there, I believe, is Rapid Racers, which we're not going to go on today, but we're going to try some other rides.
You don't carry the float show is here.
It's like, what's that ride? Miss Adventure Falls.
Miss Adventure Falls.
At Typhoon Lagoon. Speaking of, if you want to check out, if you want to take a look at that video, it'll pop up on your screen right now. Go. All right, let's do this.
This is the best.
How's it look, Lorelai? Good? Looks good?
Yeah.
It's better?
We go.
Oh, they're spinning me.
Oh, they're
Oh, we're
spinning.
getting spun.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa. Whoa, go backwards. Oh, I got wet.
Like, hey, get your leg. I got one. We're gonna get one again. Oh, that was bigger. We're gonna get one again. Oh man.
Oh, is this it? Whoa!
Nope.
That was the last one. That was awesome.
Oh, I'm so cold.
All right, guys, first reaction. I think the inclusion of music on that ride is pretty awesome. I apologize ahead of time if I have to edit the music out and put an overlay, but it was amazing. It was too cool. If you guys like rides like that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more fun stuff from Adventure Island, Disney, whatever. And yeah, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. All right, so now we are heading to the other side of the water park to check out some of the rides they have there. They have a lot of other rides on that side. On our way, there's a little wave pool area, a lot smaller than the other ones we've seen, and a cool Adventure Island sign right over here. I think the kids want to take some pictures, so we're gonna do that. Different areas of where to go. Calypso Coaster, Paradise Lagoon. And then a map.
Which one are we going?
We're at. We're gonna stay to the left, I think, here and go around. Aruba Tube and Calypso Coaster. Lazy River is right over here. All right, let's go. Calypso Coaster to the right, guys. Looks like it's a double tube ride. I have a feeling me and Anthony go by himself and I go with Lorelai.
Sure.
Let's see what this is like. Let's take a look at the... We have to bring our own raft.
So cold.
Here we go.
Ready?
Here we go.
Which one are we on?
Oh yeah. Whoa. Woo.
I think that's Calypso Coaster. Wait, no, I think Anthony's on Calypso Coaster.
Here we go. Woo, that was fun. A bit rough at the end though. I think I hurt Lorelai a little bit with my leg, but that's okay. It'll be fine. But yeah, we had that one had a lot of high turns there. Almost felt like you're gonna fall over, but that would really splash us a lot of water. It's a lot of fun. What do you guys think? They had fun. Definitely cool. Oh, reservation only, Duval Street Loungers. Here you go. To the left. That was my scroll moment for the day. And we're gonna go and see what we're gonna do next. Yes, we had to carry the raft, unfortunately, but that's okay. We'll make it easy. Let's go ahead and get in line. Take a look at that. 42 inches tall, 2 to 4 riders. All right, let's do this. All right, we're about ready to go on. All right, let's do it.
I do not want to go backwards.
That's okay.
I'm gonna get sick if I go.
You'll be
No,
fine.
I'm gonna get sick if I go backwards.
You're fine, Lorelai. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, Lorelai. Here we go. Oh, that's a cool. That's a cool. Well, that's like hot in here.
That's terrific. That's really warm.
There's another one.
Woo!
Oh, we're speeding up. Oh, here we go.
Oh my great googly moogly, that's cool.
Alright guys.
Well. Oh, what?
Good. Okay, Anthony?
Yeah.
Alright.
Whoa.
I'll let you get out first, Lorelai. Last time I tried to get out before you.
Thank
know.
you, Callie.
You got it? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. It happens. Yep. That was it.
Press record.
It's still recording. Alright, so you guys saw me just take a dive. That was actually kind of fun. What did you guys think?
Woo!
Solar Vortex?
Yeah!
Alright.
Highly recommend.
Awesome. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to MaingateMike. Click on that icon on the bottom right hand of your screen. Let us know what you think of the experience so far. And yeah, let's see what's next. Alright, so we've had a fun day here at Adventure Island in Tampa, but it looks like the weather might be going against us, so we're gonna go grab some food real quick while we dry off and show you what that's like, and then maybe call it the day. Let's go see what we're gonna eat. We are back at the Surfside Cafe. You can actually mobile order, save some time in line. We were here earlier and we got a refill on our drinks. Let's take a look at what we've got. Again, bacon cheeseburgers, chicken tenders, chicken Caesar salad, Possible burger, fountain drinks over here. We're gonna order some food. Typical theme park pricing, pretty pricey for a water park, but I think that's why they push the all-day dining deal. $44.99 for adults, $24.99 for children. Eat as often as every 90 minutes. You get an entree, Coca-Cola probably, and a one-sider dessert. So add that up, they'd actually eat twice with all those items. You actually would save the money. Also, another thing to remember is that some of the entrees come with a side. So in this particular case, I believe they come with fries. It says they're all burgers and tenders come with fries. So that doesn't count against your side, so you can get a dessert as well. So that actually looks pretty good. That key lime tart looks really good, actually. And then of course you get the soft drink of choice amongst those beverages at Coca-Cola menu there. Okay, so we got our food. Sorry we didn't get to it before we start digging in, but let's take a look. Lorelai and I are splitting a bacon cheeseburger. That's what's left of it. Actually pretty decent size, not bad. Got some French fries that go with that. I think Lorelai's enjoying that pretty good. Anthony got himself some chicken tenders, some fries. And yeah, the rain's starting, so we're gonna dig in. How are those fries, Anthony?
Good. Hot and well seasoned.
Very good. Awesome. You can hear that rain in the background. All right, guys, we're back in the car. We made it out of the rain, and we're going to head home, but wanted to get a recap on the day with the kiddos at Adventure Island in Tampa. Wanted to see what they thought. So, guys, what was your favorite ride there, Anthony?
Wahoo Remix. Woo.
How about you, Lorelai?
Wahoo Remix.
All right, looks like the Wahoo Remix was the consensus to be the favorite ride of the day. Check out the video. It'll be chaptered here on the video. See what you think. Hopefully that footage turned out good for you. Hope you enjoy it. And of course, if you want more great theme park content as well as other things going on in Central Florida, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click on that button. Click on that button on the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe. Leave us any comments of what you thought of today's adventure. And until next time, I hope you have a great, big, beautiful day, and we'll talk to you soon.